Welcome to our channel, where we're always excited to share the latest tips and tricks for making the most out of your favorite apps. Today, we're going to explore how to add a video status on WhatsApp web using your PC. This feature is a fantastic way to keep your contacts updated about your day-to-day activities or share memorable moments with them. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. If you haven't already, scan the QR code with your smartphone to log into your WhatsApp account on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar WhatsApp interface on your screen. Now, let's dive into adding a video status. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with options like chats, calls, and status. Click on the Status tab. This will take you to the Status section, where you can view updates from your contacts and also post your own. To add a new status, click on the plus icon located at the top right corner of the Status section. A menu will pop up with options to choose from photos and videos. Select this option to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a video from your computer. Browse through your files and select the video you want to share. Once you've chosen your video, click on the Send button. Your video status will now be uploaded and shared with your contacts. This process is straightforward and allows you to share your favorite moments with friends and family directly from your PC. Whether you're sharing a funny clip or a special memory, WhatsApp Web makes it easy to keep everyone updated. Before we wrap up, remember that your status will be visible to your contacts for 24 hours, so feel free to get creative and share as many updates as you like. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.